Mathematical expressions. What's meant by mathematical expression? Mathematical expression is a sentence consists of number, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 18, any number, operation, like plus, addition, minus, subtraction, times, multiplication, divide, division, and a symbol. Symbol is an unknown number or a variable. We'll give it the symbol of any letter, X, Y, Z, any letter. For example, X, this is the symbol, plus, this is the operation, and 3, this is the number. So we call this mathematical expression. We have some keyword to know. The keyword for plus, total, add, sum, together, after, and the keyword for minus, subtract, difference, remainder, left, ago, keyword for multiplication, product, multiply, times, off, the keyword for the division, divided by, quotient. Let's take an example. Express each word phrase with the corresponding variable expression. Number 1, I have add a number x to 5. So we said that add is a keyword for plus a number x. X, this is my symbol, and 5, this is my number. I want to write it as an expression. So I have to put the symbol and the number, and between them the operation. So x plus 5. Here in number 2, I have quotient. We said that quotient is a keyword for divide. So I have a quotient of a number n, this is my symbol, and 8, this is my number. So all what I have to do is to put n divide 8. Subtract. Subtract, this is a keyword for minus. Subtract a number, 9, this is my number, from O. This is my symbol. So what I have to do, I have to put the symbol or the number after the word from first. So I will put the O minus 9. Number 4, product of a number Z and 12. Product, this is a keyword for multiply. Number Z, this is my symbol, and 12, this is my number. So I have to put it Z times 12, or 12 times Z, or 12Z. No difference between them. So I can put it 12 times Z, or Z times 12, or 12Z, because here I have a hidden multiplication. Open your booklets at page 25. Express each word phrase with the corresponding variable expression. Letter A. Add a number Z to 36. Add, this is the keyword for plus or addition. Number Z, this is my symbol. 36, this is my number. So the answer will be Z plus 36. This is the expression. Letter B. A number y divided by 6. Y, this is my symbol. Divided, this is the keyword for division. And 6, this is my number. So the answer will be y divided 6. Letter C. Subtract number t from 24. Subtract, this is the keyword for minus. T, this is my symbol, and 24, this is my number. I have to put the number after from first. So 24 minus t. D. Product of number p and 7.56. Product, this is the keyword for multiply. P, this is my symbol. 7.56, this is my number. So I can write it b times 7.56, or I can write it 7.56b. Letter E, quotient of number h and n, and 9. Quotient, this is the keyword for division. H, this is my symbol, and 9, this is my number. So the answer will be h divided 9. Letter F, or I can write it h over 9. Letter F, sum of two numbers x and 7. Sum, this is the keyword for plus. X, this is my symbol, and 7, this is my number. So the answer will be x plus 7. G, subtract number 81 from B. Subtract, this is the keyword for minus. 81, this is my number. B, this is my symbol. I have to put the number after from first. So it will be B minus 81. Letter H, product of a number m and 4. Product, this is the keyword for multiply. M, this is my symbol, and 4, this is my number. So I can write it m times 4 or 4m. Letter I, quotient of a number 12 and r. Quotient, this is the keyword for division. 12, this is my number, and r, my symbol. So it will be 12 divided r. J, add a number f to 40. Add, this is the keyword for plus. F, this is my symbol. 40, this is my number. So all what I have to do, f plus 40 or 40 plus f. Both are right. F plus 40. Letter K, add a number 25 to double of number x. So first, I have here add. Add, this is the keyword for plus. Number 25, this is my number 25. Double, what's the meaning of double? Double means times 2. Double means times 2 of the number x. So double x means times 2x. So it will be 25 plus 2x. Okay. In letter L, subtract. Subtract, this is the keyword for minus. Number 1, this is my number, from quarter of number g. Quarter means 1 over 4. Quarter of number g. So 1 over 4 g. It will be 1 over 4 g minus 1. Letter H, divide. This is the keyword for division. Number 89 by number d. So the answer will be 89 divided d, or 89 over d. Okay, your booklet, page 26. Number 2. If Rana is x years old, use x to write an expression for each of the following numbers. The age of Rana after 9 years. We said before that after is the keyword for plus. So the age of Rana now is x. After 9 years it will be x plus 9. Letter B. The age of Rana 5 years ago. We said that ago is a keyword for minus. So now Rana's age is x. 5 years ago it will be x minus 5. Letter C. Find the uncle's age if he is 4 times the age of Rana. 4 times means times 4. So the age of Rana is x. So her uncle's age will be 4 times x or 4x. Letter D, the brother's age if he is third the age of Rana. Third means 1 over 3. Rana's age is x. So here the brother's age is 1 over 3 x, or 1 over 3 times x. Both are right. Let's remember together the perimeter and area. In the square, I have all its sides are equal. So the perimeter of the square is the sum of the outside lines of the shape. So it will be s plus s plus s plus s. Or I can write it s times 4. This is the rule for the perimeter of the square. S times 4 for 4s. And the area of the square is equal to side times side. So area equal s times s, side times side. In the rectangle, I have, this is the length and the width. The perimeter of the rectangle is length plus width times 2. And the area of the rectangle, length times width. Area equal length times width. In the equilateral triangle, all its sides are equal, so its perimeter is s plus s plus s, or s times 3. Okay. Your booklet's page 26. I have the perimeter of the square whose side length is x. Okay, first, the perimeter of the square is what? Is side times 4. Okay, he gives me that the side length is x. The side length is x. So instead of side, I will put x. So it will be x times 4, or 4x. Number 2. The sum of two numbers is 12, and one of them is y. Then the other is. Here I have the sum. Sum means plus. This is the key word for plus. So I have that the sum of them is equal to 12. So one of them is y. Y plus what equals 12? Okay, so from here, I don't know the number. I want to write it as an expression. So I will send the y to the other side and I will change the sign. So it will be 12 minus y. So the expression here is 12 minus y. The area, number 3, the area of a rectangle whose length is x centimeter and width is 5 centimeter. We said, what's the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is length times width. So here he gives me that the length is x and the width is 5. So the area will be x times 5, or 5x. The side length of equilateral triangle is L. Then its perimeter. Okay, I have here equilateral triangle. What's the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? We said side times 3. So he told me here that the side equal L. So it would be L times 3, or 3L. Number 5, subtract 9 from 1/3 of a number. So subtract, this is the key word for minus. 9, this is my number. 1/3 means 1 over 3. He didn't tell me the number, so I will give it any letter, any symbol, x, for example. So it will be 1 over 3x. We said that the number after the from first, so 1 over 3x minus 9. This is the expression. In number 6, Noah saved LE(x) and her mother gave her LE(15). She will have x plus 15, as Noah have x and her mother gave her 15 more, so it will be x plus 15. This is the expression for what Noah has saved.